Food at your front door, freshly delivered meals. Atkins diet. How to do it the right way. Obesity is the main reason for many diseases like cardiovascular problems, diabetes, depression, and sleep apnea. The only way out of this problem is to follow a strict and healthy diet. But that doesn't mean avoiding food altogether, for that it is not at all a good option since it would deprive our body of essential nutrients. Hence a controlled carbohydrate diet is advised, for carbohydrate is mostly responsible for increasing one's body weight. The low-carbohydrate Atkins diet was first introduced in 1970 as by Dr. Robert Atkins. But it became popular almost 10 years later after the release of his book, Dr. Atkins' New Diet Revolution, which went on to become one of the best sellers of that decade. In no time, millions of people in the United States and abroad began to follow Atkins' diet specifications as their first diet choice. What is Atkins' diet? Atkins' diet is a high-protein, low-carbohydrate diet. It promotes using meat, eggs, and cheese, while discouraging high-carbohydrate content foods such as bread and rice. If excess carbohydrates are taken in, excess enzymes should be generated to digest it. This may lead to disintegration of pancreatic cells in a long run, which may further lead to diabetes. According to Robert Atkins, on having a low-carbohydrate diet, our body will enter into a state of ketosis, in which, instead of carbohydrates, fat is digested to release energy. This reduces the need for more insulin produced by the pancreatic cells, and the fat deposits are subsided. Thus, the body weight is reduced to a considerable amount. Advantages of Atkins diet. Considerable amount of body weight is reduced by the burning of fats, which is the secondary source of energy. Inter-meal diets could be avoided since you won't be hungry between meals. Could maintain constant blood sugar level. Since most of the toxins contained in our body are removed along with the burning of fats, overall health is improved. Things to note. It is recommended to consult a doctor or physician before trying out Atkins diet meal plans. Daily exercise is highly recommended along with Atkins diet foods. People with kidney disorders, pregnancy, and diabetes are advised not to follow Atkins diet meal plans. Phases of Atkins diet. Induction. In this phase, which includes first 14 days of the diet, it is said that you will lose up to 15 pounds of your body weight. During this time, the amount of carbohydrates consumed per day will be less than 20 grams. The only carbohydrates included in your Atkins diet recipes will be low-carbohydrate content vegetables like tomato. Ongoing weight loss need. During this second stage, the consumption of carbohydrates is raised up to 5 grams per day. Pre-maintenance need. During this stage of Atkins diet meal plans, the rate of fall of body weight will be slower. Also, you can experiment various other foods to see whether they add your body weight or not. If found safe, you could add it to your Atkins diet food products. Maintenance. You enter this phase when you find that you have reduced the body weight to the desired level. Also, you could add some more carbohydrates to your diet which do not raise your body weight, like full wheat bread. Tailpiece. The ultimate result of Atkins diet program, other diet programs as well, depends solely on how well the person follows the recommendations. Hence make sure that you follow it religiously. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net